It rains heavily. This is the worst day of my life, Shah.
Hello! Welcome to Shah Easy English. Today, we have a very exciting story.
It is about three friends, mountains, rain, and an unforgettable day.
Okay, tomorrow we go to Eagle Mountain. We wake up at 5 a.m. We start hiking at 7 a.m.
5 a.m. Shah? That is not a plan. That is punishment.
Tom, the mountain is 2,000 meters high. We need time.
Tom, you said you wanted an adventure.
I wanted a small adventure, Sara.
Trust me, when you see the view from the top, you will forget everything.
The next morning, 4:50 a.m. Shah is already in the kitchen making breakfast.
Today is a great day.
Every great adventure starts before the sun.
Shah, it is not even 5 a.m. Why are we awake?
Because today is a great day, Tom. Look outside. The sunrise is beautiful. Okay, that is actually beautiful.
Good morning. I have my boots, I have my camera, I am ready. Let's go.
How are you so ready? It is 5 a.m., Sara.
1 hour later, Shah, Tom, and Sara are driving to Eagle Mountain.
It is so quiet out here. No city noise, no traffic,
Just.
quiet.
That is the point, Tom. No city noise, no traffic, just nature. This is perfect.
They arrive at Eagle Mountain. The trail begins here.
Stay together, walk at a good speed, not too fast, not too slow. Follow me.
God help us.
Okay, fine. Let's go.
1 hour later, the trail gets steeper. The view gets bigger.
Whew. This is harder than I thought. But look at that view.
You are doing great, Sara. Look back, Wassay. Can we stop for 1 minute? My legs do not know we just started.
They stop to rest. They eat their sandwiches. The view is incredible.
When you are on a mountain, your problems feel small. The world feels big. And you remember, you are strong.
Actually, really deep, Shah. Don't tell anyone I said that.
The sky changes. Dark clouds roll in fast.
Ooh, those clouds look very dark. I don't like this.
Shah, did you check the weather before we came today?
I checked it yesterday. It was fine yesterday. Walk faster, there is a shelter. It rains heavily.
They find the shelter. They run inside.
I am completely soaking wet. This is the worst day of my life, Shah. But we are safe, Tom. We are warm. We are together.
Look outside the window. Come and look at this. This is the most beautiful thing I have ever seen.
Outside the window. Rain falls over the mountains.
This is the worst and the best day of my life.
The rain stops. The sun comes back. The mountain is quiet and beautiful.
Next time, I will carry a bigger bag. Same time next month. Don't push it. So there is a next time. I knew it, Tom. I knew it.
The best adventures are not always perfect. But with good friends, every moment is worth it.